Hey guys, your girl J Bella back with another video. I know it's been months since I last posted my videos. I know I've been having little technical difficulties. Okay, my camera, my phone, it want to be acting a little crazy, a little shady, don't want to do nothing. I suppose Apple is starting to get on my damn nerves, okay? Like it really is. So just bear with me. I'm gonna try to post more videos more often as I possibly can. If you have any problems with Apples too, comment down below, let me know, because I feel like it's only me lately, like what's going on, Apple? But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this look that I just did. So if you want to see how I did this little look, just continue watching and then we get straight into it, okay? So I'm gonna start off using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. I hate things like this. We can't really see it like that. Alright, there we go. This is what it is. I got this from Five Below. It was $5 basically. I love this better than any other face primer I've used so far. It gives me a great turnout when I put on my foundation. The way it feels, it comes off really soft and silky when you first put it on, and then once you start rubbing it in to your skin, it start feeling more velvety, and then it just feel like nothing after. Like it just, I don't know how to explain it very well. It feels great. It feels light. It's very, very light. It don't do too much on my skin. So I did my eyebrows off camera because I really can't. It just takes too long and it's too much of I do a lot. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, what I always go with, and I'm gonna mix in two of my LA Girl Pro concealers, the one in the shade Fawn and in the shade Toast, and then I'm gonna mix them all in. So when I mix it in, it's gonna look like this. I like to go in with my hands and then apply it, and then I'm going to go in with my ELF. I actually end up mixing this powder and my Estee Lauder Double Wear Rich Mineral Loose Powder. I mixed this and my ELF loose powder as well, so it gives it some type of tint, so it won't look too white, like too Casper. No. Using my all over eyeshadow brush by It Cosmetic number 216, and then I'm gonna go in with my Delancey eyeshadow palette, and then I'm using this shade right here to get a little closer, this shade. So I'm gonna pretty much go in my crease and above my crease, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm using this as a transition color, as a base to start off my look. So basically I'm patting it in to get more of the color in there, because if you start off just blending it out, you won't see much of a color. Yeah, basically that's how I would do it. Some people do it differently. So I do on both sides, and then if I feel like I got enough color in, then I'm gonna start blending it out. You want to make sure the blending is like, the lines are not there. You don't want any types of lines at all, because then your look, it ain't gonna come out right. So if you're a beginner and you're just starting out, it's okay if you get it like right here on top of your lid, like on your hooded eye. I guess that's what they call it. I'm not that good with names and stuff, but it's okay if you get it up here under your brow bone. You can use concealer to cover it up. You could go over it with eyeshadow. It's okay. It's all good. So I'm gonna go in with my creased brush. I got this at Target. It was a part of some little dramatic smoky eye little set. Going in with my BH Cosmetic palette. It broke, so it's old. It's a matte eyeshadow, as you can see. I'm gonna go in with this red right here, and then I'm gonna go in with this one to get the depth into my crease. I'm gonna mix the colors. So I'm mixing the color I just showed you right here and a little bit of this color in the shade Mud from the, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this palette right here I got from Hush.com, only $5. You can't go wrong from there. So I'm going to use this brush. It doesn't have a name, but it's a flathead brush. And then I'm going to use my concealer slash eyeshadow primer. And I'll make a cut crease. You want to make sure you use a steady hand, because like I learned over time, doing eyeshadow, doing makeup is art, okay? It's a technique. You have to be serious about this game. You want your face looking beat to the gods, okay? So I'm gonna start in right here and then go out. With the same eyeshadow palette I got from this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with this shade called Jam, and I'm going to use it on the outer. So I'm using this little, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush, flathead eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to pack it on. I cleaned up this brush, and then I'm gonna go in with my Delancey eyeshadow palette and use this color. I'm gonna pack it on, and then after I'm gonna blend it together so it looks seamless. try to blend this part in, the outer crease, into that orange. So I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Glaze Texture eyeshadow palette, the Rose Gold edition. So this is basically a dupe for the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So it has a lot of the similar colors. This was actually a gift for me. Go in with Birthday, and I'm gonna apply it on top of my lid to give it that little sunset effect, I should say. I'm going with that same brush. I'm gonna clean it off. Okay, and then I'm gonna kind of lightly pat it on. I don't want it to be too much, then you won't really see the rest of the colors I already did. So I feel like it's not coming out the way I really want to. Why is one side lighter than the other? I never understood that. That just irks me, bro. It really irks me. I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and it's the shade, the palette Sunflower. That's what it is. So right here in the back, Sunflower is the colors. I'm either going to be using the middle color or this color. It's coming out really weird. I'm most likely going to be using this one, and this one's going to be on the outer. So I'm going to start off with the lighter color. You know why it's not working? Because I didn't spray it down. Normally when it comes to like shadows like these that are like more pigmented, I want to say pigmented, that are more like glittery, you want to wet your brush, not OD, but you want to wet your brush enough to where you could pick up the color and it comes off where you need the color that you need to, or the way you need to come off. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my crease. And don't, as you can see, I am patting it in. Don't blend it out, because then honey, that is going to come out bad and your look is going to come out bad. Okay, I'm saying you just pat it in. These type of shadows you want to pat in. Okay, see, it looks on like a whole lot better. So I'm going in with my Happy Boost, what is this, light bronzer. Oh, it's Happy Booster. I don't know, I got it from CVS. I thought it was pretty. I don't really use the actual outer part, I just use a little heart part. I find it, there we go, I like the color inside there. So what I've been using to spray my brushes, I'm using the Mario Tedesco Skincare. This one, I'm pretty sure there's like 3 different, really, there we go, here it is. I'm pretty sure there's 2 other different I guess flavors or different ones, so there's 3 in total. So I'm gonna start off using this in my brow bone. First I'm gonna take it in like this. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to easily blend that out, to blend it together so it won't look crazy. Remember, like I said, you want it to be seamless, honey. And use this on my inner corner. I think I need to mix it. That's what it is. So I'm gonna mix this color that I had before, and then the little heart color I just showed you. Already did my primer, so I'm just going with my foundation. So I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my face. I'm not gonna show you guys in details, you guys seen it before. So I'm gonna go back in with that red color that I had right here, and then I'm gonna use that on my lower lash line. Use this little brush right here. I'm going with that dark color, that dark red I have from the Aquaman palette. Go in and use the two setting sprays I have matte. I love matte setting spray. Okay, I don't like that dewy look. That's me personally. Use whatever setting spray you would like to use, but I will go in with the two setting sprays I have now, one from NYX and one from Color City. I'll start off going on with this, and then I'm gonna spray it out. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and make sure there's no watermarks, because once that watermark is there and you don't blend that thing out, it's gonna be there. As you can see, you see that shine, honey. So with the final look, I went in with this espresso lip liner, and then I went in with these two lip glosses. This one I got from Hush, and this was like a little free gift that I ended up getting. And then I also went in with my NYX butter gloss in the shade BLG 16. So this is the final look. If you like it, give it a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know what you like about it. If you want me to do something different, or if you want to learn something that you're not sure how to do, I will, gladly teach you. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias account, on my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I will leave that down below and also put it on the screen right here. So yes, honey, let me know what you think. So see you later, guys.